Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Candyberry Kids TV. I'm your friend and we are here to learn something interesting. In today's video, we are going to discuss an important topic, which is food. Yes, food is medicine. How food is medicine? Why food is so important for us? Why we eat food? What are the benefits which we are getting from food? I know all these questions are arising in your mind, so let's discuss this, okay? Carrots. Carrots are so important for us. Carrots supports eye health. So good for eyes, right? Tomato for healthy skin. Good for skin. Okay. Almonds support heart health. Okay, good for your heart, right? Apples improve brain health, so good for brain. There is a proverb also. What is that? I'll tell you. An apple a day keeps the doctor away. Means for healthy body we have to eat an apple every day. Okay, next, milk for bone health, good for your bones. Beetroot protect the liver, good for liver. Spinach maintain good vision, so good for eyes. Eggs, hair growth, right? Good for hair growth because it contains protein. Fish reduce the risk of heart problems, right? So good for your heart. Cucumber for weight loss. Okay, so good for your body. So I hope you get all your answers. Okay, so that's it for today. We will meet again in another video. Till then, please be happy and don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. If you are going to subscribe me, it is going to motivate me. Thank you.